Welcome on board Firefly. Please pay close attention as we introduce a better way to explore Malaysia with Firefly. But first, say hello to our newbie, the B737-800. Our newest member of the family now flies you from Penang to Johor Bahru and even over the seas. Fasten your seatbelt as we take you to Kota Kinabalu. For your ultimate enjoyment, we recommend doing this or this. Or even this. Please note that we are also flying to Kuching. While you are here, please stay calm as you uncover the many mouth-watering local delights. In the unlikely event that you're bored of the city, head out and discover this, and this. Your comfort and convenience is important to us. And on this flight, you have the option to choose more benefits such as priority check-in, priority boarding, and priority baggage. If there is a change in your travel plans, don't worry. On Firefly, you have the flexibility to change your dates as many times as you want. Brace yourself for more good news, as Fly Infinite also provides Firefly travel protection for things like this. Stow away your growling tummies or packing worries with hot meals and 35 kg baggage allowance. For those who love more benefits, keep in mind that seat selection and enriched miles are included in your ticket too. Our new aircraft and new routes start from 2021. Thank you for your kind attention. On behalf of Firefly, we hope to see you on board soon.